Here are some of the best science fiction books, in my opinion, that have stood the test of time, offering unique ideas, fascinating worlds, and compelling stories. Classics of sci-fi. 1. Dune by Frank Herbert. A monumental work exploring politics, religion, ecology, and human ambition set on the desert planet of Arrakis. 2. Foundation by Isaac Asimov. A sprawling series about the fall and rebirth of a galactic empire, built on the idea of psychohistory, a mathematical way to predict the future. 3. Neuromancer by William Gibson. The cyberpunk novel that defined a genre, delving into artificial intelligence, cyberspace, and post-humanism. 4. The Left Hand of Darkness by Ursula K. Le Guin. A profound exploration of gender and culture on an alien world, written with poetic depth. 5. Fahrenheit 451 by Ray Bradbury. A dystopian tale about censorship, technology, and the power of books. Modern sci-fi favorites. 6. The Three-Body Problem by Lou Sixon. A hard sci-fi series blending cosmic physics, alien contact, and human resilience, beginning with Earth's first encounter with extraterrestrial life. 7. Project Hail Mary by Andy Weir. A gripping tale of survival, ingenuity, and unlikely friendship as a lone astronaut tries to save humanity from extinction. 8. Children of Time by Adrian Tchaikovsky. A deep dive into evolution and survival, featuring uplifted spiders on a distant terraformed planet. 9. The Martian by Andy Weir. A witty and scientifically grounded story of one man's fight to survive on Mars. 10. Exhalation by Ted Chiang. A mind-expanding collection of short stories that explore topics like free will, time travel, and the nature of consciousness. Underrated gems. 11. Blind Sight by Peter Watts. A first contact story that questions consciousness, intelligence, and what it means to be human. 12. Hyperion by Dan Simmons. A multi-layered epic filled with interconnected tales of pilgrims on a journey, blending sci-fi with philosophical and literary themes. 13. A Memory Called Empire by Arkady Martine. A beautifully written space opera exploring politics, identity, and the clash of cultures. 14. Snow Crash by Neil Stephenson. A fast-paced cyberpunk novel with satirical takes on technology, religion, and society. 15. The Space Between Worlds by Micaiah Johnson. A multiverse novel exploring privilege, identity, and survival with a gripping narrative. For fans of speculative sci-fi. 16. Kindred by Octavia E. Butler. A time travel novel that examines slavery and history through the lens of science fiction. 17. Anathem by Neil Stephenson. A dense but rewarding tale of philosophy, mathematics, and parallel universes. 18. Oryx and Crake by Margaret Atwood. A speculative take on biotechnology and humanity's self-destruction, laced with dark humor. 19. The Dispossessed by Ursula K. Le Guin. A brilliant exploration of utopia and anarchism through the lens of two very different worlds. 20. Spin by Robert Charles Wilson. A beautifully written novel about Earth mysteriously encased in a time-dilating barrier and the consequences for humanity. Would you like more recommendations based on a specific theme, such as dystopia, space opera, or artificial intelligence?